We all saw those super cute pictures of Megan Thee Stallion when she went to Korea. Do you want to learn how to get that look? Stay tuned, I'm about to show you how. So first, you're going to want to have some like circle lenses, some like black ones, because they make your eyes look just a little bit cuter. These ones are pretty big, because I already have a pretty big iris, so these ones are really big. You don't have to get them this big, but it makes your eyes look a lot more dolly. So that's the kind of look you want to go to, because circle lenses really help. I got these ones from iMoody. They are so cute. I really like these. They're very comfortable, actually, because sometimes I'll have some contacts where I can feel it under here, but these are super comfortable, and I really like them. If you want to get 15% off on contacts from iMoody, just use my code SamiraLoves, and you can get 15% off. So once you have the lenses in, this is really going to complete the look. Then you get started with the makeup. Of course, we want to put our primer. I use the e.l.f. Hydro Grip primer. And next I am going to use my orange concealer. I use the NYX Fix Stick. This is their color correcting concealer. You have to be careful with these because they can break off, so I don't like roll them up too much because I don't want to break it. Next, I'm going to use this cushion foundation from the Clio brand, and this is in the color 40C Mocha. I love this. It's like such a perfect match. I'm obsessed with this cushion right now. I've been using it. Like, it's the one I've been reaching for because it's just such a perfect match for me. Now I'm going to put on my concealer. This is the NYX. It is the Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Deep. I've used this for years, y'all. I love this concealer. And Megan had a really pretty highlight. This is a very basic look, so we're really going to focus on making our base really smooth and really nice. So I'm gonna put this is the Kimchi concealer. I'm gonna use it just under my eyes and just anywhere that I would want to highlight. So we're gonna put that on. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of this like super light color and put it on as well, just to like really brighten it up. But I just take a very small amount of that to brighten it right in the corners a little bit more and right on the edge a little bit more. Now we're gonna start our face with this One Size setting powder in pink, only setting where we highlighted. Now I'm gonna use this Kimchi setting powder, the Puff of Pass powder in cocoa, and I am going to set the whole rest of my face. And I usually just put it everywhere that I didn't put the other powder. Now we're going to set all that powder with this all-nighter setting spray. We want this to be like a really pretty smooth base, because that's how Megan's is, like very smooth, very airbrush. Obviously they edit those pictures, but let's just get it as smooth as we can. So we're gonna do like a light blush, so we're just gonna put it like here on our cheeks. That's it. Not a ton of blush. I usually put blush on my nose and everything, but we were trying to do this Megan look, so yeah, just on our cheeks. So we are going to try this Kaleidos palette. I have not seen anybody use the deep one, so I really wanted to do something on this because I'm not sure where I was going to go. I ordered it. It looked really dark on the pictures, but like when I got it, I was like, oh, that dark color is not very dark. Like, it's not as dark as the pictures, and I don't know how the woman in the picture like used this as her contour, so I'm very a little skeptical, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna do my nose contour and my contour on my face with this, and we'll see how it goes. So first I'm gonna do my nose contour. I'm dipping into that darkest color, and we're gonna see. Oh, it's kind of like a creamier formula. Oh please, it's a creamier formula. So let's see on my nose. I'm looking in my mirror right here. Okay, that's very interesting. When you put it on, it's actually darker than what's in it. Okay, I was very worried because I was like, what am I gonna do with it? I still don't see how the woman in the picture would use this, because this is like was about her skin tone. Like, she had a very deep skin tone, so I don't know, but cool. It works for me. Now we're gonna get into the shadow. So she just has like a brown shadow, and then she has some highlight in the inner corner. So that's what we're gonna do. I have this like super old Morphe palette, so I'm just gonna get a brown out of here. Hers is more of like a reddish tone brown, it looks like. So I'm gonna get one of those, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. You just want to have something there, even if you're not really trying to do eyeshadow look necessarily. You still want to have something on your lid just to give it some depth and have some warmth there You don't want to just have it like naked. So I would always recommend like putting some type of color on your lids. We're going to get some of that same color and bring it underneath our eye. Now we're going to put some of that glitter in the inner corner. I'm going to use this, I have this Naked palette that I was sent like a long time ago. It's the Urban Decay Metal Mania, and it has this silver color in it called Spiked Up or something. I use it a lot. So we're going to use that silver color in the inner corner of our eye. Just a little. Just to add a little sparkle. I'm going to do a dark brown liner on the inside of my eyes because that looks like what she has as opposed to a black liner. So let's do that. I'm putting on my favorite lashes by Lashholic. These are the strawberry lashes. They're so cute. We're going to do lips. She had a brown lip liner and a really pretty pink lip. So let's use this. Hang on for dear life. I have another one, but I just want to go through this whole thing before I open another one. Start another one because like this is my favorite eyeliner ever. Is the ColourPop lip liner. And if you didn't notice, I love NYX products, so we're gonna use this butter gloss. This is the NYX butter gloss in the color. Ooh, I don't even know what this color is. It's like a little sample tube. Creme Brulee. And then we're gonna set with setting spray, guys. Let that dry and